Talking to one of you that was involved in organisational change stuff, which some of us earn our pennies doing. And this wasn't in our conversation, but one of the skills I did, and I don't know if any of you have done this, when I go in as a consultant to an organisation, one of the things I'll do is whatever the issue or the thing is they want addressing, I learnt to look at it from the perceptual position of all the different main stakeholders in the organisation that were relevant. And I'd go and get their take on it from their point of view and check that out until you get not just a three, but a multiple description on a particular problem or issue in an organisation. Why? Because that will often lead you to whatever intervention is most likely to make a difference. Because usually, whatever intervention you throw at an organisation, it doesn't make a damn bit of difference. It just carries on doing what it's always done. Why? Because it's fixed personalities and fixed systems doing their stuff. So I found this perceptual position very neat when having to work with organisations and change and trying to understand how they get stuck in particular scenarios. So I think there's a lot of applications. But see where you get to with it.